In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to register for CIBC Online Banking. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in CIBC Online Banking and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one, the official one. You will be directed to the login page. Now here, you're going to find the option register now. Click on that. Now you'll need to fill these. First, you'll need to enter your card details. Type in the card number, then the expiration date of the card. Then select your phone number. Once you fill this, click on continue. Then you'll need to fill in other details, such as your personal identity verification, like we're generating username and password for your account, verifying your phone number as well as email address. Once you do that, you will be successfully registered for CIBC Online Banking. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.